Hey, what's up? Do you have a choice as to whether or not you like ice cream? Like when you put the ice cream in your mouth, do you have a delayed response to it? You just sit there and go, do I want to like this? Well, let me look at the nutritional information to find out if it tastes good. How about music? When it starts to play, do you ask yourself, should I bob my head to this? What are the statistics on the people who like this music? Or do you just naturally go, damn, this sounds good? Or wow, this is obnoxious? The reality to this world is whether or not we like something is almost always instantaneous. Does sticking my hand in a pot of boiling water feel good? Or am I forever doomed to dislike the feeling of sticking my hand in a pot of boiling water due to the characteristics of my body? I didn't choose to like ice cream. Ice cream just naturally tastes fantastic. I don't get to decide whether or not my skin melts off after I stick it in boiling water. Because of the way my body was naturally made, I tend to hate the sensation of burning. Now let me ask you this. Can I get a hard-on for a really ugly fat chick? I don't know, she's kind of lard mixed with Rocky Road, and I don't even like Rocky Road. No, I'm just another fan of low-fat strawberry. But above all this, boners don't lie. So let's get to the point, shall we? We hopefully by now agree that all these things are not a choice. I like classical music. It's just the kind of person I am. If it's impossible for me to manipulate what I like and don't like and rather just accept the natural way that I am, what kind of person would I be to tell gay people that they do have a choice? For me to tell them that they have magical genitals that get hard-ons at whoever they want. For me to tell them that being gay is a choice is for me to admit that I could be gay. Hell yeah, being gay is a choice. I could imagine myself being attracted to big hairy man balls. In fact, all this talk about making love to men is making me hot. If you just look out your window, you will find out that we are not all the same. Because if we are all born the same, then why are you not also gay? When it comes to the makeup of our brain, we human beings function in so many different ways. Some people are good at math, some people are good at reading, and some people aren't very good at much at all. Some people are accepting of others, and other people are prejudiced jerks. But the bottom line is truth is truth. And this isn't me arguing with you. I'm just telling you the way that things are. So the son you exiled from your family, you might want to call them up and apologize. That church member that you say slapped God in the face, mind you, God created this imperfect being, suggesting that God himself is imperfect. You know, because all of the heterosexuals out there are perfect examples of what human beings should be. Maybe it's time to write them a letter. Maybe it's time to admit that you're not gay and they are, and that's okay. Or you could just continue being that person that you complain about every day. The person that makes this world miserable to wake up to. Unaccepting, judgmental, cold-hearted jerk. So they're gay. Who cares? It's none of your business. They're not coming on to you, and for more reasons than one. For all the gay people watching this who are attracted to those of legal age, don't be ashamed of what you are. As long as you're not hurting anyone, who are we to tell you who you can and cannot love? Don't live this lie, because it's going to be a miserable life. Don't be what everyone else says you should be. Be whatever you wish to be.